we didn't do that one. So, it's another trigonometric identity. And this one is important. We have to prove that tangent alpha is sine of 2 alpha divided by 1 plus cosine 2 alpha. So we're gonna manipulate the right-hand side until it becomes tangent alpha, which, as we know, is sine alpha divided by cosine alpha. So the right-hand side is, now that is just one form of the double angle formula for sine, so not much thinking there. You just rewrite sine of 2 alpha as 2 sine alpha cosine alpha. And then if we think about it in terms of where we want to be, sine alpha should be there too, and cosine alpha should cancel out. And from a fraction to cancel out, that means cosine alpha should be a factor of the denominator. So we're looking for a denominator that is a product. And that will help us to decide which form of the double angle formula for cosine to use. Cosine 2 alpha is cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha, or 2 cosine squared alpha minus 1, and that's the one I'm liking here, or 1 minus 2 sine squared alpha. So if you want to add cosine 2 alpha to 1, this form will automatically cause a cancellation. 1 will cancel out, and then we're left with what we hope to be a product. See? 1 cancels out, and then the numerator is 2 sine alpha cosine alpha, and the denominator is 2 cosine alpha cosine alpha. Where the 2 cancels, the cosine cancels, and what's left is tangent alpha. And so we're done. Now let me explain to you why this is such an important formula. What I'm about to show you is very typical to calculus. If you have some kind of a quantity, alpha, and then twice alpha, the notation suggests that this number is twice that number. Now that connection can be looked at as such, this is half of that. And actually that could be implemented in notation if we say, well, let us relabel 2 alpha as beta. And then if we divide both sides by 2, then beta over 2 is going to turn out to be just alpha. So alpha and 2 alpha is this guy is twice this guy. Here, this guy is half of that guy. But it's the same thing. And so check out what happens if we rewrite this formula, which expresses tangent of single alpha in terms of trigonometric values of the double angle. So we get tangent of alpha, but alpha is beta over 2, equals to sine of 2 alpha, but 2 alpha is beta, 1 divided by 1 plus cosine 2 alpha, but 2 alpha is beta. That is the half angle formula for tangent. It's just in this form, it looks much more intimidating, but it's the same thing as this. We just sort of change the emphasis with the notation. Thank you for watching.